I'm Adam.
And I'm Ruben, and we are Peking Duk.
We called Kensington home in the early days of making music together.
Babs on the beach! Babs on the beach! It all started.
Yes! Oh!
Look, back then we didn't have much, but we had some of the best times and the most legendary local eats.
This is what made us feel like we're in Thailand.
Join us and Uber Eats as we take you through the food, the places, and the people that make Kensington epic and beautiful. The skate park is a place where romance blossoms.
Oh, no. It'll happen. Just give it a few goes.
We met at a skate park in Canberra when we were about, how old were we, 14?
It's actually a funny story. I was dating a girl that Adam was also dating.
At the same time?
At maybe the same time, we're not sure.
I'm sure.
She was cheeky. And so we found each other and we're like, whoa! I know you.
It's like X Games on heat.
That was X Games.
Back in the early noughties, bladers and skaters weren't meant to hang out. But we, got that status quo and said, goodbye.
Yeah, we broke the chains and started playing the games. Check this out.
Hey. Still got it, mate.
I jumped on a bus from Canberra because you were moving to Sydney. You said, come with.
That's where it all started.
This is where it all began.
Yeah.
Morami Ave, that's where it all went down.
The old digs are.
Kick-ons on the balc.
Yeah.
The neighbours screaming at us at 4 a.m. Sydney always feels special for us because it's the city that actually made us. I guess who we are. It's the first city that celebrated Peking Duk. Playing here feels like a hometown show as much as Canberra, you know what I mean? Because it's like this city did celebrate us and lifted us up when we needed it.
Kingsford doesn't change.
All the good food is still here. And of course, Niji on the corner.
We didn't have much sushi growing up
Yeah,
in Canberra.
sushi wasn't really a thing growing up in Canberra.
And so when we got to Sydney, we kind of like...
We're like, what is this?
What
is this
What's this
amazing
crazy stuff?
cuisine?
And yeah, Niji really opened that door for us.
Oh yeah, look at that eel.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oi, get out of it. I want that bit. Give it a splash.
Food scene in Kensington is super unique because you've got such an abundance of Asian influence everywhere. They've got absolutely everything.
Yeah, it's wild. It's very diverse, and the quality of each restaurant is so high.
Yeah. What are you getting?
I had a Darba.
Yeah, baby.
I get the lamb korma.
Also at the end, you could just say all dishes extra, extra hot.
It'll be here in 15 to 20. How's that?
Yeah!
Ruben's a real spice fiend. He goes like, if the scale goes to 10, he'll try to push it to 30. I've seen him hallucinate from chili before.
Oh my God, in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
That was hilarious.
Yeah, he actually started tripping out.
Say, Uber, Uber, where'd she go?
One time we actually ate a bunch of Indian before a gig.
Oh my
and,
God.
we put ourselves into
We went into a food coma and missed the gig.
Which we were like, all right, maybe we should have a nap because we've eaten too much and we just slept through the gig. What about this? Give this one a bite.
That's delicious.
Yeah, this one's banging.
Indian before a show, terrible. Indian in the studio,
That's a bingo.
works.
Oh. See, that's a dunk. Good to break up a studio session with a little break and maybe go play some ball.
Yeah, Dunkaroos. You should see me go. That's why they called it a Dunkaroo.
It's Dunkaroo.
From here.
Oh yeah, easy mate, easy money. Make sure you get this on camera because this is going to be something biblical. Damn it.
3 in a row. And this right here is a place we used to eat pretty much every week. See him, there he is. The boy.
Great man.
Oh, brother.
The only.
How you doing?
The king himself. That's it.
That's it.
The good thing about Thai food, it brings everybody together. Makes you feel at home, and when you need home-cooked, simple Thai food, this is what you want.
Everyone can agree that Thai's dope. Like, I've never heard anyone be like, nah, I don't eat Thai. I've never heard that.
Uber Eats was the first major place to come to us and say, hey,
Really?
you've got a busy restaurant, we see that, let us help you out.
There you go.
Oh my God. What is this?
Order this on Uber Eats. You're gonna wanna get that.
I remember like when we were super broke and still just wanted to eat here, we'd just get like rice and that peanut sauce.
Yeah, as cliche as it sounds, like we would literally just eat whatever we could get our hands on because we didn't really have the luxury of like, oh, this would be good. I think because of all that, it created this environment where I think we had to push ourselves. But if it weren't for those restaurants and the beautiful people running them, definitely wouldn't be where we are now. I think Coogee is just like one of the most beautiful places on earth. It's got a certain magic in the air. And we're lucky enough to call it close to our studio. It's nice to kind of switch off and just get under the water and feel nothing for a sec, but feel everything.
Wrote a good song today. Let's have a dip to celebrate. Then maybe a couple of beers.
I mean, look at this, it's paradise. Coogee's beautiful. One day we're gonna swim out to that rock. One day.